Okay, I think I might have gone a little overboard. How am I going to get all of these home? Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we make our clothes to be just as unique as us. Today I am in Chicago, Illinois, and we are going to, can you see it? Family Thrift Center. We actually have, there is actually a family thrift store in Chicago. And one of my subscribers, Dee Dee, shout out to Dee Dee, you guys are gonna see her. She told me about it. So we're getting ready to go in. I have my mom with me. We're gonna go in. It's 3 for 1 day. She always talks about 3 for 1 day. So I'm gonna put on my mask and we're gonna go in and see what we can find. As usual, you guys are gonna go into my thrift thoughts. So you're gonna go in my head, see what I'm thinking while I'm thrifting. So let's go inside. Let me put on my mask. Oh, there she is.
I just got here myself.
Oh, did you? Everybody say hi to Dee Dee.
Just walked in the door myself. Hand sanitize your carpet.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
All right, we getting ready to do it big. All right, into my thrift thoughts you go. I honestly don't even know what I want to look for. It's been so long since I've been thrifting. Oh, let me look in the men's jeans section. Wow, this really is pretty much like the one in Houston. Oh, look at these bleached Levi's. Definitely interested and definitely in right now, but they're not a blue tag. Blue tags are the only ones that are 3 for $1, so stay focused on the blue tags. Don't get anything else because you cannot fit it in your bag to go home to Houston. Blue tags, blue tags, blue tags, blue tags. Where y'all at? Wait a stinking minute. All these jeans are white tags. These are white tags. What kind of game they running? I'm not paying full price at a thrift store. What do I look like paying a whole $7 for a perfectly good pair of jeans? I don't think so. Excuse me, ma'am. Where are all the blue tags at? Oh, you don't know either? Okay. Like, I'm really not seeing no blue tags nowhere. Is that one? Nope. Wait, is that one? No. Come on, fam. Where's Dee Dee at? Dee Dee. Dee Dee, girl, do they separate the blue tags or they all mixed in?
I didn't see them separated, so they might be all mixed in.
Oh, okay, because back in the men's section, they are white tags.
That's crazy. I like the digging.
That's okay, I'm used to digging. I just wanted to make sure I wasn't, like, looking in the wrong section.
White. I was hoping white would be the day you come.
Well, this is going to be next week.
Watch. Next week I ain't gonna have no money.
Hey, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing. And share this video so everyone will know all the amazing stuff going on here. All right, well, let's look at the dress shirt section because I'm low on those too. All right, let's see if we can find any blue tags over here. Oh my gosh, look at this green Hawaiian shirt. But of course, it's an orange tag and it's not very big. So I have to go ahead and put you back. Oh, okay, here's a blue tag. I like the pattern, but once again, it's kind of small. I need all the fabric I can get. Okay, so let's keep moving. Finally, a big white one. That is a solid upcycle every day, all day. 33 cents, baby. All right, let's see if I can find more. Ooh, yellow. I love a good pale yellow. More yellow, please. No, okay, but here's a green. That works too. Red, yes. Burgundy, yes. I'm racking up on these dress shirts.
I don't need no more men's dress shirts.
I didn't use all mine.
That last time I came in here, I think I got 18 dress shirts.
Yeah, you got some.
Mama getting good.
I'm getting the rest of them.
All right, so I'm just gonna let them keep chit-chatting while I keep scoring on all these dress shirts. Ooh, look at this blue linen one. Here's some gray and black one, but that's kind of boring. Ooh, let's see what they have in the pattern shirts. Green and white stripes? That could be good. Plaid. What do you guys think? All right, let's see if they have any good plain t-shirts. I can always use a good plain t-shirt. Okay, well, that's a no. Oh wait, Dee Dee said try the women's jeans. I guess I'll try and see. Women's jeans are just kind of iffy sometimes because they just got too much stretch. But let's see if we can find any good pairs with blue tags. Nothing yet. Oh, wait, this is not too bad. Let's just put it in the cart and think about it later. Okay, here's a pair of rhinestone ones. That's definitely not me, and they're super stretchy. I mean, stretchy denim definitely has its place, like that last dress that I made, but that's probably literally the only project I've done with stretchy denim because I hate the way it frays. And it has a bad habit of getting all stretched out and it won't go back, like, you know, my stomach after the third child. Now, you know what I wish? I wish these were blue tags so I could turn them into balloon pants like the ones we made a couple weeks ago. But I see these kind of pants all the time at the store in Houston, so I'm not worried about it. Oh, wait, here's a blue tag. And another one. Let's just start putting some stuff in the cart. Oh yeah, it's party time now. 4, 5, yes, 6, 7, 8, 9. Uh-oh, my cart is starting to get pretty full. Ooh, 10. And I love the wash on these. Look at these. I might just have to pay full price for these. 12, 13.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, I think I might have gone a little overboard. How am I going to get all of these home? I guess all the kids will have to check an extra bag this time. No, I'm not going to do that. Let's whittle this down to 2 plain t-shirts, 6 pairs of jeans, and 6 dress shirts, and 2 identical pairs of men's pants. What do you think I should make these into? Let me know in the comments. All right, so let's go check out. And my grand total was $16. Hot dog. And if you're interested in Upcycle classes, I do have monthly Upcycle classes with the highest level membership of my membership group. So hit that join button below to learn more. And if you're looking for a free option, I do have a Facebook group where it's just a whole host of other upcyclers that share their before and afters and get help when they get stuck, as well as even share local resources. So definitely check the description box for that link. All right, we just finished going shopping. Me and Mom are on our way back to the house. It's only what? It's only 11 o'clock, so we were there for about 2 hours. It didn't even seem like 2 hours. Right, it didn't. It didn't even seem like 2 hours. But we had a great time. I am packed on my jeans. Like, I have re-upped on my jeans and on my solid color men's dress shirts. So I am straight on that. I'm definitely gonna have to take an extra bag to get these back to Houston, but I'm happy. It was 3 for $1, so that made it worth it. It'll be worth it to carry, so we'll be all right in that front. So if you guys want to see more thrifting videos, definitely put a comment down below. I haven't done them in a long time, but if you're missing these videos, definitely put a comment and share this video so that I know that that's something you want to see more often. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe. I have a bunch of other videos for you to watch right here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!